Hello everyone, Gaurav here. Just recording a video early in the morning and wanted to show you guys how Glomensio Firefly looks on the outside of my house. It's the only Glomensio Firefly in entire India. All the other Glomensio Fireflies are situated in US states, primarily in Wisconsin and Arizona, because that's where I was based out of for quite a while. But time to show you guys how the Glomensio Firefly looks. Okay, it's turning on the flash for some reason. Right. So that's the Glomensio Firefly, and it's a time for daybreak, as you guys can see. And now the thing is that no other home has numbers that are as visible as this one. My neighbors asked me for one, so I'll have to figure out a way to provide one for them and get one shipped from US. But this is the neighborhood that I live in. It's very well lit, obviously, as you guys can see with the street lights. But then again, when it's totally dark outside, or typical American neighborhoods, that's where the problem tends to be, that you can't really see a house. And yeah, sure enough, the deliveries arrive late. Emergency personnel often have trouble finding the house. Your friends and family have trouble finding the house. That's one of the key conveniences of having a very good house number. It's not just about the curb appeal, but how easy it is to find a house when it's that well lit. And in person, it looks much better. I'm sorry, I'm not a very good person with camera. I'm just recording this on my iPhone. And yeah, all in all, just to show you guys another comparison. And these are the neighbors that asked me for one. So I'll figure out a way to get them one. But yeah. Coming back towards my house. So now this is no longer on sale. We are already sold out of the Gen 1 device that we had, and our Gen 2 will be launching this summer. And so this also shows the most complicated install, because all of this is entirely brick wall. Ow. Okay, that's going to hurt if I do it any harder. But even this got installed in less than 15 minutes. It was designed to be that easy to install. And for 48 contiguous states, we already have everything figured out that we are going to be providing free installation when we launch our Gen 2 device during the summer. That's all I have to share. Subscribe and follow for our Gen 2 device launch, so you don't miss out on the free installation promotion that we are going to be running for a limited time only. Thank you guys.